Hi everybody. As we assemble to accommodate in the fast changing world, the work at office culture, work from home culture, we have really seen the hybrid culture. But there is something which remains constant. Yes, the need of communication skills, and we really need to build it. I'm Aradhna, educator and a soft skill trainer, will be telling you about the 4 core key skills which you really can adopt to bring a change in your life in language learning. The purpose of language learning is to really work on the 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading and writing, which is commonly known as LSWRs, with the base of large vocabulary and good grammar, which is not the final purpose. The final purpose of language learning is to really have a comprehensive English. For instance, if I say Ram is really good at reading and writing, can we say he is good at English? No. If supposing Sita is a girl who is really good at listening and speaking, can we really say she is good at English? No. In both the cases, we can really assume that these people are not good at English because they are lacking somewhere. Mind guys, we cannot separate these 4 key skills. In addition to it, most of the speakers are really good at reading and writing, then listening and speaking. Then we must also think, why is this? Why is a person really good at this particular skills but not at the others? The reason is the education system. We do not have a single class on speaking as well as listening. And really we cannot change or challenge our education system. Instead, we really can improve our learning method. And that's what we do at Gyanopedia. Watch more to discover the importance and the future of LSWR skills, which is really going to affect our life in the language learning process, which really you can implement to discover the easiest and the developing of this language. LSRW skills are the 4 basic key skills and which really divide the abilities of a person. For both personal and professional use, we use communication skills to understand situation as well as places and people. Whether you're working at home, working at office, you must be seeing that you're using communication skills to really pass on the information to the other person. You're using email, you're using video conference, you're also using informal chat to really pass on the information to the other person. But guys, how do you think that writing is not important? Writing an email is so easy. Writing and chatting with the other person, replying the correct response is so easy. Communication is really all pervasive and we need to improve it to have strong grab on this particular subject. These communication skills are really essential to build us in every sphere of life, to be better individual. When it comes to 21st century, we all know that employers are looking for employees who have strong communication skills, who can take challenges and really can diverge conflicts with communication and with impact. Communication has been one of the most sought after skills in the workplace that is really visible in Indian market. So we really need to invest our time and effort to bring it and achieve the best communication results. So do you think that this video was really helpful? And if you really want to help yourself with the communication skills and improvise LSWR skills so that you can have a strong, impactful communication style, let's get connected. In the next video, what we are going to cover is the LSWR skills and how really you can have a grab on these 4 key skills. We'll not just learn what are the particular ways to develop it, but how to do it. And if you think this video was really helpful, please like it. Thank you for watching the video and do not forget to subscribe the channel because whenever I'm going to upload a video, you will be the first one to watch it, and importantly, it will motivate me to upload more videos in the upcoming time.